This is a tennis 45.
Hindi ba pagsipa ako sabi ng 6? Kaya sabi, look at your back. Makatry bigla. Nasa rala eh. Hadal up!
Ganda ng kick mo dun, boy. Grabe.
So always good to watch the veterans come out.
Sipa mo.
Extreme Volcanoes has been one of the main veterans teams here at the Manila 10s.
I got that move from you, Rob.
Yeah.
Players from many clubs.
Nah, that's a race move. That's a
The,
race move now.
the Eagles, all the local teams.
So the last game, the final score, Manila Nomads Colts 14 and Guerrillas Rugby Club 5.
So really want to celebrate a couple of the old extinct who come back. Paul Barber last was in the Philippines 16 years ago. That's not what you told me. I've been lied to. I've been lied to by the tournament director. Andrew Barber has not been here for 16 years. And Paul Retzlaff, Nomads legend, recently playing back in the early 2000s. KL Tigers. This is their first time in the Manila 10s. Mix of expats, Malaysian players, typically play in Kuala Lumpur and play throughout the year. So welcome to the KL Tigers for their first ever Manila 10s. So if you don't know where to go around Manila, I'm sure the Extinct Volcanoes can point you in the right direction. Again,
Believe me, I was out with these guys and they know where to go.
Again, the Ayala Museum, the Greenbelt, Intramuros, any of the sites you want to see and explore the heritage and history of Manila, we'll point you in the right direction. Momo, are you feeling fast today? You look fast. Blonde hair gleaming in the sun, freshly dyed. So as a little mini competition, if anyone knows Momo's exact birthday and birth year, and you submit it to the commentator's desk, we may have a little prize for you. So Momo's exact birthday and birth year. If anyone knows that, please submit it to the commentator's desk for confirmation.
1880.
1880.
Come on, Frank. This is it. Whole life is part of this.
So if you notice, veterans rugby players are a little bit like tortoises and turtles. They slow down in the middle of the day. They need shade, they need cool, they need water. And that is a lovely way to kick. But Colin Steely, another Nomads legend, fleet of foot. They call it the Ecuadorian lightning bolt. That was actually pretty good. That was pretty good, Colin. I'll give you that one. And he's there ready to clean up again.
Finish it. Come on.
Go on, Momo! 7 out of 10, Momo. 7 out of 10.
Come on, more peptide.
Colin, that was awesome.
Hey.
And that was a great bit of play by the Extinct to put the ball down in the corner for the first try of the game. Good team try.
So where's Archie?
Lots of players signaling for a rest. Big Barry wants a rest. Big Barry still recovering from a stage event earlier in the week. Sam Cynic with a kickoff.
Yeah, that was superb, mate. You made that happen.
That is a great run through the middle from the kickoff by the KO Tigers. And the big boys on the run. Go on, son! Number one, do another run. We want to see that. That's what we come to watch the vets do. Give it to number one. There we go. Hey!
Chase it! Chase it!
Just goes into that.
Where's Jensen gone?
Fizzo is Jensen playing?
KO Tigers, we have got a medics tent. KO Tigers. Medics, can we get a medics? Can we get someone coming over to the bench, please? Just for a little bit of blood.
Are they competing against other schools and stuff? Is he at that?
Medic to the sideline in front of the announcers booth.
Medic. Just fun, I think. It's just a little bit of blood. But just if someone can come and check it out, please.
And you talk about a team of 15 or 10?
7. Yeah. About 7 or 8 of them. A couple don't turn up.
Yeah.
And we've had a scrub down.
Yeah, and the younger age group, it seems to be a lot of kids.
Yeah.
His age group, not like that. See, sometimes he joins more than he can. So they call the cats. Yeah, the guns. Sometimes people go, what? Anyway, another team.
With the score and the score level.
There's an independent one out there.
We've got the flag up in the corner.
Sometimes you don't win.
Come on, Tigers!
He wouldn't be a prop or anything like
No,
that.
he should be. He's one of the biggest on the...
I just saw what you saw.
Well, no, he's not that far. He's quite heavy, but he's very fluid.
Yeah. So how long's he been playing?
Big fat guy with red shoulders.
He went to Malaysia.
There's no backline.
It's like a, they call it poverty. It's a foreign, it's the British schools in different countries.
Yeah.
They went to Malaysia and then they lost all the games. But,
Experience.
they need business, don't they? You have?
They have one when they're out there.
And then they come up with
So I think I want someone over to wait.
The red Mr. Peers and off they go.
Tony Shibley
That's pretty good.
is
Wow.
60 this year, I believe.
Ball round. Just go straight, keep the ball.
One of the joys of veterans rugby is people playing well into their 50s, 60s and even 70s. Tony Shibley, if you keep playing for a few more years, you might get like a little BBC feature or news on it. We have one of the young spring chickens from 62. We have a young spring chicken for the KO Tigers at 62. Doesn't look a day over 61, mate.
You're still doing AOA?
Yeah, no, I was going to ask you, is that how much of an impact is it? Is it helping you? Is it hurting you? Is it...
I don't think it's hurting because I mean, maybe the competition are using it better than we are, but we're using it to help our development.
Pull wide, now pull!
That's about it. Hey, not just
Ball
we use
goes
it for
out.
contracts. That's that general stuff. But for the development team, they're beginning to use it to help them code faster.
Yeah,
Develop. It's still early days for us, really. You hear that? Something broke. Oh, yeah, good call. Good call.
Volcanoes,
Where is he? Oh, yeah.
that is the final whistle, and I think that has the Extinct Volcanoes.
5-0. It was very short.
So the next game will be
missed a few
Populate Pigs versus Howland Old Dragons.